Today we're gonna make so delicious mini pancakes. What we will need for these delicious mini pancakes, we will need for the dry ingredients, we will need flour, 1 cup of flour. We will also need honey instead of sugar, but 2 tablespoons of honey. We will need also salt. We will add a pinch of salt. We will baking soda and baking powder. For the wet food, we will need milk, lemon. For the egg, 1 egg, melted butter, and vegetable vinegar. Okay, and we need, so that's it. So let's start. First, we're gonna use the dry stuff, so dry ingredients. First, we're gonna add this bowl, flour. We'll add flour. Then we will add honey, 2 tablespoons of honey instead of sugar, because sugar is not good for teeth. Honey is good, healthy, sticky honey. And you just put 1 more, or maybe another one. We will also be using honey for the end instead of syrup. Done. Keep it here. Now let's close the jar. Then we need some baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. This is baking powder. See, using this, we will just put 1 spoon or like teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, so like 1 or 2. Yep, perfecto. Let's close it. Now we will add baking soda. We will get this spoon, this one, for this baking soda. Now let's just get more whole, a little more. Perfect. Now let's close it. Now we will need a pinch of salt. So we'll put a little on my hand, like here, a little. That's enough. Perfect. Let's close it. Yep. You can use any kind of salt, but I will using Himalayan pink salt. So I added a pinch. Now we're gonna stir it with this. Stir for like 1 or 2 minutes, like 3 or 2 minutes. Okay. After that, perfect. Now we'll use the other bowl. We will start with milk. Put this 1 cup of milk. Then we'll add vinegar. We'll put vinegar. After the vinegar, we'll add vinegar, then egg, then some butter, melted butter. All of it. This one, yes. Yes. That's it. Now we're gonna add this. And also we will need vanilla. So I added the egg. We're gonna squeeze the lemon because the egg smells horrible. Just pick up that seed, get it out, and put it in this bowl. 1, mix a little with this. And no, we'll add vanilla. Then we'll mix. We're gonna add very tiny spoon. We're gonna add like this much vanilla. Careful. See, that's enough. A little more. Done. We're gonna mix with this fork. Gonna mix and break the old yolk. Mix. Now let's mix more. Just mix. After mix, we're gonna put it. Now I'm done mixing the wet ingredients. We're gonna put this all in the dry ingredients. And now mix them. Make some like sizzling sound. Oh, it's okay. We're gonna mix just for a little until it's a little bit like dough. It feels a little like dough, means it's ready to fry. So let's mix and mix. More. Let's mix a little more. Now we're done mixing all the ingredients. We're gonna add it in here. So we get the spoon full and just put it in here. You need to put it in here because you cannot put it in the pan like full because it's mini pancakes. It won't be mini, it'll be like giant. And I'm also using a mini pan. Mini pancakes and mini pan. Now this is my mini pan. And I'm done putting all this in here. So we're gonna put some little bit of butter spray. Gonna put it in here. That's enough. Let's just put it like here. Done. Now I will ask my parents to help me put it on the oven because I'll put it in the oven. And okay. Now I've asked my mom to put it on the fire. Now I'll squeeze this. It's miniature. Just and I'll do the other side. It's like adding frosting on a cookie. It looks so well, but it's okay. At least you have fun. That's the most important thing. Have fun. I will shake the pan a little. This one is ready, so I will get some of this. Finally, I'm done making these mini pancakes. I asked my mom to help me, and I also make some medium size for my dad. Now we're gonna add some honey instead of like butter or other stuff or syrup. So I'll add honey because honey is really healthy and it's so sweet. It's like sugar, but instead of has so many sugar, it's healthy from the bees. Ooh. Now, done. Added the honey. Now for the taste test. Let me try this one. This one has honey. They're so good. I could eat like 1 million of them.